ugly crimson field, their gold words are thunder tones, full of the wrath that will not kill, full of revenge for battles lost. March to the echo as we cross, Manila making faces one, and this murderous holocaust. Oh, Almighty, give us a man. Give us a man of God's own mold, born to marshal his fellow men. One whose fame is not bought and sold at the stroke of a politician's pen. Give us a man of thousand strength, fit to do as well as to plan. Give us rally, pride, and length. Oh, Almighty, give us a man. No leader to shake the boasting foes, and march and counter-march our brave. Then they fall like wolves in the marcher's slow, and the swamp runs over its names and brave. No matter the freedom on us straight, and in disaster shake will flag, nor another to master and lie and rape. Oh, Almighty, give us a man. Northward morning in the land, while the sister rivers in the main. Then with our light and knowing port, who shall gather it up again? Though we march to the battle place, firmly as when the strife began, shall all our offering be in vain. Philippines, give us a man.
Is there never one in all the land, one on whose side the cause may lead?
Are all the common ones to friend, and all titled ones to be? What if your failure may have been in trying to make good bread from brass? From worthless metal a weapon be, Philippines, give us a man. Oh, we will follow him to the death, where the Romans versus columns are. Oh, we will not surrender his breath, hearing for every sacred star. He is to marshal as high and far, or to battle as conqueror. When our hero leaves the land, Philippines, give us a man.